Hi nerds, this is the Technical Nerdist where we cover all things tech and nerdy. I'm your host Jason. Today I'm going to show you all of the gear I use to shoot and edit my videos. First and foremost, I want to say thanks for watching this video and thank you for supporting my channel. When I reach 500 subscribers, I'll be giving away a $50 prepaid Visa gift card. All you need to do is subscribe and watch my videos. Also, if you can click that little like button below, that would be great. Now let's get to it. My primary editing computer is a fairly old but not obsolete Dell XPS 8100. Now I've upgraded the memory to 32 gigs of RAM, and it was stated the XPS 8100 didn't support 8 gig sticks, but it's been running flawless for months now. Maybe there was an update in the BIOS that allowed that to happen. My video card is an NVIDIA Quadro K2000 with 2 gigs of GDDR5 RAM. It scrubs through my videos seamlessly and plays World of Warcraft with no issues. I haven't had any problems with the video card since I upgraded from my failed 1 gig card several months ago. For editing, I use HitFilm Express from FX Home. I'll include a link to that in the description below. The Express version of the editor runs on one computer at a time, and upgrades can be purchased a la carte as needed. I've added the Edit, Virtual Effects, and Color Starters for the Express version, which gives me all of the tools I need to currently put out these projects. I plan to upgrade to HitFilm Pro at some point for $349, which will allow me to run on 3 computers at once and has all of the features built in. I highly recommend HitFilm Express for those of you looking for a solution that's free and looks similar to Adobe Premiere and Final Cut Pro. Now for my cameras. I use 4 different cameras depending on what I'm shooting and editing. For my gameplay videos that'll be coming soon to the channel, I use my Logitech C920 webcam. The quality on this camera has been excellent for a 1920 by 1080 webcam. I use my iPhone 11 Pro Max quite often. In fact, I'm using it for this video right now. My primary camera that I use for most shoots is now my Canon Vixia HF R800 camcorder. It looks and sounds great while it's really easy to use. Just make sure you use a good quality SD card, unlike what I did for my office build video. I cheaped out on the SD card and it bit me, costing me hours of footage. I'm now using a SanDisk Extreme 64 gig card, so fingers crossed I don't lose any more valuable footage. I also use my GoPro Hero 7 when I go on trips. It's lightweight and easy to grab B-roll footage. For the extra lighting on my face, I use the Amaran AL-M9 LED light. This light charges via USB and runs for hours on a full charge. You can also operate it while it's plugged in, so if you're running low, you don't have to wait for it to charge back up to use it. It's another highly recommended tool that I have in my arsenal. For audio, I use a Blue Yeti Nano USB microphone and record my audio onto my computer using Audacity, which is a free recording software. This is primarily when I do voiceovers and more complex records. The Yeti Nano has some of the best quality audio I've heard from a USB mic, and I highly recommend it for your toolbox. Right now I'm using the Polson lavalier microphone for mobile devices, as you can see right here. How do you think the audio sounds? Finally, when I begin recording my game series, I'll be wearing my HyperCloud X wireless headset. It wasn't the highest quality headset out there, but it works very well for the price. The one thing I don't like about it is that it doesn't have built-in Bluetooth. You have to use an external USB dongle. That being said, the sound quality I get from it is just fine. For every tool that I've mentioned in this video, I'll have a link in the description below. Remember to subscribe and like my videos for a chance to win the $50 Visa gift card when I reach 500 subscribers. And as always, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button. Also, press the subscribe button and click the bell icon for notification when I upload new content. And as always, thanks for watching.